Hey guys, just a video on how to get into the True Fitness touchscreen console. This is one of the first generation consoles, the SC touchscreen. What you got to do is press and hold the top left corner of the console just with one finger until this True logo here starts flashing, then let go, and then if you press and hold the manual workout button, it'll go into maintenance mode here. So just going through configuration, this will just give you all the details on the machine. If you go into configuration first and then hit return, it takes you back to the main screen, but other ones, when you hit return, other settings in here will take you back to the normal start screen. Calibration, I think this does it here. When you hit start, it'll just do the elevation and the speed at the same time. It'll do speed and incline calibration, so it's fairly quick. It'll just go through the process, raise up, speed up, slow down, come back down. Hit the return button, you do go back to the welcome screen. So press and hold top left corner until the True starts flashing. Press and hold manual workout. And then we go into diagnostics here. Here you can get the hours operation and the distance as well. And then you've got some other settings in here you can change as well. Error logs here as well, which will tell you what errors have come up. I haven't cleared them, this machine just doesn't have any errors on it. If it did have errors and you fix them, then you want to clear it, so then it will tell you the last 5 errors as you look at it. And then here's some other tests, a test you can do, keyboard tests, hardware tests, and then utilities down here. Touchscreen calibration, you can hit that and then it gives you dots in the corners of the screen. You can go through, hit all those crosshair marks, and that'll do a screen calibration. And then there's just some various settings in here as well. Hit the exit button, hit the exit again, make sure you go back to the start screen so people can use the machine. Thanks guys.